Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to select the call check from the load board. You can simply click on the blue button for call check if you wanted to add a call check to the load. And I'm going to set this one for Denver. And save. You can also, from the more actions, load tracking, add call check, and enter the information the same way here and save. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.